Meh. Meh. Meh.
Yeah, I thought it was a horse. And then I spotted it.
Shut the fuck up. Meh. Meh.
Yo, I just spotted them.
Meh.
I just spotted them and then now. And then I told Uncle. Shot them. Oh, fuck, just missed.
Missed that one, Breed.
Oh, there it is.
Stay behind me. If it gets up, it'll fucking smoke you.
Nah, easy.
Are you videoing, babe? Manaya, turn that torch off.
Oh.
What's going on? Stay behind me. Not here by me. No, turn it off. Fuck yeah. He's down.